Go and see it. Yeah, please see this. This is the first part of today's machine. Yeah, it looks like a frame, right? It will consist of some round rollers and this big one. We often call this obtension material rack. Yeah, that means this tension is always keep a stable situation.这个我要重新再拨一遍吗？是吗？啊，你这就正常拨就好了。然后就再重弄一遍。你网络不行啊，这里哪里 WiFi 呀？From here we can see 4 black rollers. 你给它拿过来，你把你手机开兜吧。The main function of the 4 ones are used to the fabric will have. Yes, there are 4 layers. Now, then let's take a close look at this. From here, we can see 2 Chinese characteristics, Song and Jing. Song means blue, and Jing means white. The name with the sign used here, we press here. The machine, the fabric will be fixed. And from this direction, it will be tight. And can you see there are some small numbers? Here. Can you guess what the function of this? Yes, it was used to fix the fabric, and it's very friendly for the operator to put the fabric on this roller, especially when the operator is a freshman. let's go to next part. Yes, from this we can see the yellow one. We often call this sensor. That means when something wrong, this sensor will give out a signal to the PLC, and then the PLC will alarm. The operator will know there is something wrong with the machine, and then find the wrong ways. Now let's go to this part. I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 plates. Yes, from this part we can see the fabric or put on the plate. It was used to complete the fabric. Go to next part. And why do they have 6 walls? Yeah, this means there will be 6-layer fabric. That means the finished product will use 6 plies to make a full product. Then we can go to the next part. From here we can see some cylinders and some motors. Yeah, this part is mainly called nose wire mechanism. That means with this function, the nose wire will be inserted into the fabric. Can you see here? With the 4 roller, the nose wire will be cut and then inserted into the fabric. Then we can see a more big roller. Yeah, we often call it the first roller. I can see some patterns on the rollers, right? That means this one. With this first roller, the patterns will be wheeled on this fabric. Yeah, like this. This pattern is the same with the roller. Can you see this? They are the same. And behind this roller, we can see the 3 fans. Yeah, fans was mainly used to cooling. That means lower the temperature. Because this first welding roller will use ultrasonic to function. So when the ultrasonic is function, the temperature will be higher than before. So in order to protect the mold, we have to install the mini fans to cooling it. You see this? This mini fans was positioning on the roller. Then go to here. Here is a green roller. This roller is played a role to convey the fabric. Then go to here. We can see a different part. From here we can see some L tubes, right? 1, 2, 3. These 3 L tubes, can you guess the function of it? It looks small, but it plays a function that when the machine is running these L tubes, will affect a power, and then the fabric will be whole. But from this part we cannot see the product, and we often call it punching function. Then let's go to the YouTube part. It's bigger than before. We can see some pores, some small pores on the fabric. And the holes are corresponding users. 1, 2, and 3, 4 around roller. We also have using hands with the function of ultrasonic. The welding hands will extract the cover and then put the ear loop onto the fabric. Like this, you can see. There's a clip. The clip will pour this loop on the corresponding position. Then the welding hands will give up the power. Let's look at this. From position we can see scissors. No, I mean from this side we can see a pair of scissors. Then we can see the scissors was positioning on the ear loop. It will cut the ear loop down, and then the clip will pour this ear loop on the corresponding parts. Then, with the function of ultrasonic, the welding hands will give out power to weld the ear loop on the fabric. I'll show you a minute. And from here, we can see a lot of L tubes. It was linked a cylinder. The left cut U-loop, the left press U-loop, and the left flip U-loop, and the left pull U-loop. Also, there are three big ones. Can you see this? Yes, the main function of it is to welding U-loop. Chinese characteristic 火汉二代 means left welding U-loop and rotating up and down. Next one, 右汉二代 right welding U-loop. With the three big ones, the function will be stronger. Then go to next part. Yeah, it's another conveying roller. And from here we can see another difference. Can you see this? Behind this steel plate, we can see a big roller, right? Yeah, it's the same with this one. Do you know what it is? If you use our products, you may know. And we also call this sponge. It was mainly used to give the user a comfortable feelings when wearing our products. And this machine has this function. We call it sponge attaching. Also, if you don't want this function, you can remove it. That means this function is an optional one. It's not necessary. From the function of this big plate, the function will be attached on the fabric. And it was mainly attached on this part, behind this. With sponge, when we weld this with these parts, when we weld the products, we will feeling better than without it. Okay, it's another ring roller. And from here we can see a big triangle. Yes, it's mainly used to keep a position there, but due to this one has been disassembled. Can you see this? There are some holes, and all of this should be put screws like this. And this one was mainly used to adjust the position of this triangle one. Then let's go to the next part. Another unveiling roller. Yeah, can you see this? fans. These two big fans is pulling this one, this ultrasonic part. And from here we can see the welding bar. What is the welding bar? Welding bar is normally used to seal this part. Can you see this? Oh yeah. Here is the welding bar. This one. This pattern and